This is RC Cougar Flyer here. I have a very interesting report to tell you guys. I'm here at Atlanta Hartsfield International Airport. And there is this Spirit A320 just sitting here at the very end of the tarmac. I have no idea what's going on. But the plane seems to be on the wrong side of the runway. Everybody else is taking off over there. Why are you there? In the runway. Can anybody answer me what's going on? I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful sight, but are they waiting on a gate? Is there something wrong? I don't know. It's an A320 standard version. It's not a Neo. They're all waiting for something to take off. I came out here this weekend because I wanted to see some airplanes take off, and I've seen some interesting airplanes. I went to the Delta Museum about 11:30. Pretty interesting. I also have an Instagram page, RC Cougar Flyer. You guys go there, you guys can see all the pictures that I have posted from today, and my drawings that I do. I'm also an aviation artist. I don't get it. See? Taking off on the same runway. Like, you're telling me that's not scary at all? Anyways, if you guys can let me know what's going on, please put in the comments. Thanks.